Come on. See, we'll wait. Look. What are these? Oh, look at that. Electric citric juicer. Wow. Hmm. It's no more. Daming mumu ni ano ah. Maricar. Mumu mo yan, Maricar. Oh, what you got? Let me see. Whoa. 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 Whoa, whoa, whoa. One more. Let me see. Whoa. Oo nga, dami, no? Namang, look at you. Where are you? No. Thank you. You have a pillow like that already. Oh, wow. What is that? Oh, alam niya, ano lang, tingin-tingin lang siya. Okay, come on. Oh, tingin-tingin lang siya. Where are we going? Ah, okay, let's go then. Oh, well, Jade wanna go to the GameStop since you're going famous footwear. Well, if you're going to one, then Michael's. Really? When did you know you paid by yourself? No wonder your account is still 300. Your bank account is 300. You use how much money you use? That's $100 that I'm gone. Goodness gracious. Wow. Wow. Cold day, yep. Oh yeah, there you go. There you go. Summer Crocs. Oh yeah, that's a good one, Jilana. Yeah, you can try it. You can try it. Yeah, you can try it. Maybe you're in the ladies size now, Han. Oh yeah, that's a good one. I think she's a ladies size now. It's huge though. Put it back. Maybe next time. Yep.